Hi, I'm Ben from Cadat Solutions, and today I'm going to talk you through the process of downloading, installing, and then running BricsCAD. We're here on the cadapter.com homepage. This is our website. We're an official BricsCAD reseller for the UK and Ireland, and we offer frontline support for anybody who downloads BricsCAD via our website. So if you use the links I'm going to show you today, you can use our support system. That means you can come up to the contact tab here, and there's a support ticket that you can submit. You can also get quotes through the website, or you can just give us a call and we'll answer any questions that you have regarding BricsCAD. So to get started, if you click on the 30-day free trial button up towards the top of the page, okay, and then this brings us to a screen that gives you some instructions on how to download and install BricsCAD. If you click the button on the right hand side over here that says download now, this will then take you straight to the Bricsys website. If you've not previously registered with Bricsys, you do need to register in order to download. You can register with just an email address. If you click email address here, it will ask you for an email address and a password, and Bricsys will then email you to confirm your email address. Once you've confirmed your email address, it'll ask you for a few details such as your name, your company, your occupation. Once you've filled those out, you'll be ready to download your 30-day trial. I've already registered, so I'm just going to go back here and log into my account. And you'll see we have the screen download BricsCAD. Here we need to select the platform, language and version. So in my case that's it's Windows, English and 64-bit. You then need to read and agree to the terms of use. So I'm going to tick the box there and then click download. The Windows installer is about 500 megabytes. You can see just down in the corner here, it's about 500 megabytes. So once it's downloaded, we'll double click that and run the installer. All the BricsCAD family of products are provided in one single compact installer, which is BricsCAD Ultimate. While you're in the 30-day free trial, you get to use BricsCAD Lite, Pro, BIM and Mechanical all under one installer, one umbrella. When you purchase your permanent license, so that's either perpetual or subscription, you can go either way with BricsCAD. They will send you an appropriate key which unlocks the features that you've purchased with your license. You don't need to install anything else. You don't need to update anything. Everything is installed just with that one installer. All of your settings, your preferences will remain exactly as they are, and you can always upgrade to a higher level of license at a later date. You still won't have to reinstall anything. Now that the installer has finished downloading, I'm just going to click this on the bottom bar to install, and I'm going to run through the installation procedure. So to start with, we just have a welcome message from BricsCAD, and you can click next on that. Here we have the license agreement. You want to read through this and check that you're happy with it. Once you're happy, you can accept the terms and click next. The installation by default will always go onto the C drive. If you have a different hard drive or you need to install it somewhere else, you can change this, but the default's fine. So I'm going to stick with the C drive. We now have a final confirmation message before we can install. So I'm going to go ahead and click install. We're now getting into the options of the install. Do I want to display the release notes? No. Do I want a shortcut on my desktop? Yes. We'll click next again. It's now asking us which file types we want BricsCAD to be associated with. I'm going to leave all these checked so that when I open these files, it knows to use BricsCAD. If you have any other preferences, you can tick and untick whichever file types you need. So that's it. BricsCAD is now installing. If you are using Windows, you may have another pop-up at this point that says user account control, and it's just asking you for confirmation that you do want to install BricsCAD. If you click yes, then that box will disappear. You see now that the install itself is very fast. It only takes 10 or 15 seconds for the full install, which is the BricsCAD Ultimate install. It's worth knowing that you can limit the license during your 30-day trial. If you want to try out only the features in BricsCAD Lite, for example, you can do this by using the set license level command. You can restore the license level to Ultimate or any of the other levels at any time. The install is now finished. I'm going to check this box to launch BricsCAD and click Finish. Okay, BricsCAD is now launched. Again, it's nice and fast. There's no waiting around for the program to load. You'll notice here that my screen says your trial has ended. This is because I've used the 30-day trial already. Now I have a license key that I can enter here, so I'm going to just activate my license, and that'll let me in. You can see that my license has been successfully activated. I now click on I understand, and you can now see that all the options are available. These boxes here represent the different products that BricsCAD offer as part of the BricsCAD family under the BricsCAD Ultimate umbrella. So 2D drafting is BricsCAD Lite, 3D modeling is BricsCAD Pro, mechanical design is BricsCAD Mechanical, and BIM is BricsCAD BIM. I'm going to click on 2D drafting, and that will load BricsCAD Lite. Okay, so BricsCAD Lite will now, it'll load quite quickly. It'll take a few seconds, and we have the BricsCAD interface here. I'm going to click New Drawing, and we're straight into BricsCAD, and we can actually start drawing lines and shapes as you need. That is the end of the demo on how to download and install BricsCAD. Thanks for watching. Join us at cadapter.com for loads of information and technical support for BricsCAD. See you next time.